Hello, and welcome to this week's Solution Saturday. In this video, we're going to go through question 39 from the Consortium Group 2 2011 paper. Make sure to check out the other videos in the playlist for more worked solutions for this paper, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our other videos. Consider this question. Zadok the space explorer has discovered a strange planet where they have different symbols to describe mathematical operations. He worked out that the diamond means add the two numbers and then multiply the result by itself. So, 3 diamond 2 means 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2, which is just 5 multiplied by 5, which gets you 25. We need to find 1 diamond 4. So, for this part, what we need to do is add 1 plus 4 and multiply it by 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, which gives you our final answer of 25. He also found out that this symbol means add the two numbers and then subtract 3. We need to use the numbers 5 and 7. So for this, what we need to do is add 5 plus 7 to get 12, and then 12 subtract 3 to get 9. And so our final answer for this part is 9. Let's move on to part 3. Use the examples to find the meaning of the other new symbols and use them to answer the questions. We know from the previous parts of the question that every symbol had 2 operations, and therefore the pattern here is that every symbol needs to have 2 operations. Using this and the process of trial and error, you can deduce the pattern for each symbol. Here, the pattern is to double the second term and then add that to the first term. So, for 5 and 1, we need to double 1 to get 2, and then add this to 5 to get 7. For this part of the question, we need to do the same thing with the numbers 5 and 2. So we need to double 2 to get 4, and then add 4 to 5 to get our final answer of 9. The same process can be applied to part 4. Here, the order of operations is to divide the first term by 2, and then add this to the second term. So, for 8 and 3, we divide 8 by 2 to get 4, and then add 3 to this to get 7. For this part of the question, we need to do the same thing with the numbers 12 and 1. So we're going to divide 12 by 2 to get 6, and then add 6 to 1 to get our answer of 7. The same process is applied again to part 5. Here, the order of operations is to add 5 to the 2 terms added together. So, for 3 and 4, we add 3 and 4 to get 7, and then add 5 to this to get 12. For this last part, we need to do the same thing with the numbers 2 and 6. So, we're going to add 2 and 6 together to get 8, and then add 8 to 5 to reach our final answer of 13. Thank you for watching. We hope you've been able to gain valuable skills that you can apply to problems similar to this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out on our other platforms. Check out the other videos in the playlist for more solutions on tricky questions from this paper.